So far so good. You can see right here the Smart Home Panel 3 from EcoFlow is mounted. They're able to actually, believe it or not have to extend any wires because of really well strategized installation. Jack and his team were able to move my sub-panel installation box just a little bit higher so that now it sits a little bit above, but where the circuit breakers are, these cables will be able to reach, so there's no worries to have to extend it. They may need to install a neutral bus bar up there so it's a little bit closer, or they can use that one, I'm not sure, but they are looking like they do not need to extend any wires, which I love because extending wires just gives more things that could go wrong. Although I'm sure if they do need to extend it, they'll do it perfectly, but I'm just saying it's just nicer when you don't have to extend wires, you know? And they're gonna make this thing a nice little tunnel or baffle, build it out. It's gonna look nice. They're gonna patch it up, paint it. It's gonna look so good. They made sure to give a little space here because with the EcoFlow door, when it swings open, there's a little kind of a kickback area. So if you don't be careful, you can damage the wood brace. So he recessed the wood brace even a little bit more so that doesn't get damaged. Everything is looking really good, and we're gonna have that distribution box right here. It sits down about 10-11 inches, and then we have our power stack. Well, this is the distribution box, in case you're wondering. That is where it's going to connect to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, which we have unboxed finally, and here it is. This thing is a beast of a machine. We have the 2 batteries that connect to it, and believe it or not, this stack with the wheels is just high enough that when you slide it, it's going to sit underneath the whole unit. It's going to look superb, way better than I expected. But the disadvantage is if I want to add more batteries, then I will have to push it out, which is not a problem because I don't want to push this too close to the wall anyway, because there's ventilation. See all that ventilation back there? You have ventilation right there, then you got ventilation here, so you definitely don't want to push this against the wall. Actually, you know what? You don't need that much space, but anyway, it's not a big deal. If I need to go a little bit higher, I can just put the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra a little bit to the front or to the side. We should be good. We should be super good. And dude, look at how nice that door is right there. And by the way, we are still powering our lights with our EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus right here. This thing has 1 kilowatt power. And you can see if I turn it off, we don't have lights. This is lights right here. This one is drawing about 500 watts of power to power our lights. We have 1% left. We're actually gonna run out of battery. So we've drained this 1 kilowatt, and now we're pretty much going to drain this 1 kilowatt, and pretty soon we are going to be out of battery, and that's when we are actually going to just roll in this EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to power our lights. Like right now, this is the perfect timing because we're out of power right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll this over and we'll be able to power everything with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, because you don't need to connect it to the Smart Home Panel for this unit to work, because it can work by itself. In fact, that's one of the charms of this thing. You can just roll it out and use it as is, because you got your AC outlets here, you have your 30 amp outlet here, you get your 50 amp outlet here. I mean, this is a new version, so it doesn't have USB-A, USB-C. You don't need all that. You just need your AC outlets right there. So we're just gonna roll this over, and we are going to use this to actually power our lights during this installation process, because our power is still shut down as they are installing the smart panel. So we're just gonna roll this over, and this is gonna be the first time I'm actually gonna power on the unit. So we'll see how it powers on. It is heavy, but with the wheels, I'm able to roll it nice and easy right here. So I guess I don't have the batteries connected, so we're just gonna run it with just the unit itself. We'll see how this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I wanna put the batteries on. Maybe we'll do it later. We'll do it later. We'll do the first test with just the unit. So I'm gonna power it on right now for the very first time. Will it turn on? Is there any charge? Here, let me hold the power button, and will it turn on? No, I think there's no juice in this. Unfortunately, it didn't come with any juice. Otherwise, we could power on and then show you that as this power drains out to zero, we could power it with this. But unfortunately, we won't have power. But the good thing is we do have some natural light, so we should be good for now. Anyway, we're getting ready to wrap up the installation. They are getting ready to put the distribution box down there. It should be real nice. So we'll keep you updated on the installation of the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 with the Delta Pro Ultra X and the 2 batteries right here.